Alright, what's up guys? This is the adventures of Michael and Jacob is holding the camera. We're going into the forest.
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Go.
There's
We can camp right here.
for the night.
Right here.
Take a little bed. Let's explore more into the forest because this isn't just one thing. Ow, that freaking hurt.
We're putting that on YouTube.
Okay.
Fail.
Freaking hurt. If you see around here, you know, it's a pretty deep forest. And we're gonna explore every bit of it. Probably not every bit of it. We're just gonna stay right here for now. We don't want to get any poison. So yeah, that's our first adventure.